So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. Once you complete that scan, now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, for the last step, just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.